ZANU-PF is reviving fading course for President Emmerson Mnangagwa to extend his rule beyond the constitutionally stipulated two-term limit, with the senior officials leading the agenda ahead of the party's conference later this year. Zanamina mashoko arikubuda panguva ino atiri kuona kuti aiwa vana Daniel Ugare vane panguva ino achiti President Mnangagwa's term extension remains a priority. Panguva ino achiudza ZANU-PF supporters to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa munao the ruling party appears divided, with one faction pushing for Mnangagwa's continued leadership, while another reportedly begs his deputy Constantino Chiwenga to succeed him. Mashonaland provincial chairperson Daniel Ugare told ZANU-PF supporters in Marondera on Sunday that extending Mnangagwa's term was the top priority in quotes. Balance brought forward in Vision 2030 Resolution number 1 because we are not done with it. That is what we are going with to the districts saying. But Vision Balance brought forward is Resolution number 1 because we have not yet fulfilled it. Then we focus on the other following resolutions. That is the guidance that we have here. It is not an insult to anyone. It does not restrict one's opinion, but it is encouraging that we should have the same vision, said Ugare. President Mnangagwa has repeatedly refused to be drawn into discussions about extending his rule, insisting he is serving his final term. However, last year's ZANU-PF conference resolved to prolong his tenure despite his public objections. To extend Mnangagwa's presidency, ZANU-PF would need to overcome constitutional hurdles, including amending Section 91(2), which bars him from running for another term, in Section 382(7), which prevents him from benefiting from such an amendment. Writing recently on the microblogging platform X, former Cabinet Minister Tendai Biti vowed that the opposition would resist ZANU-PF's attempt to extend Mnangagwa's term. They remain unrelenting on their quest for VAUGA 2030 agenda. They think they can bribe anyone and everyone. The citizen is not anyone and everyone. We will fight back and resist the emasculation of our constitution, rule of law, and our dignity, said BT. Do mashoko aripo panguva ino arikunawanza aiwa ana Daniel Ugare vari kuti they are going to stick aiwa to the resolution yekuti mutungamiri wenyika extend term yake to 2030. Tudze mafungiro enyu mati kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kana kuma section medu za mafungiro enyu, subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.